For the most wild, yet most homely narrative which I am about to pen, I neither expect nor solicit belief. Mad indeed would I be to expect it, in a case where my very senses reject their own evidence. Yet mad I am not, and very surely do I not dream, but tomorrow I die, and today I would unburden my soul.
That dang cat, I can't handle it!
Can I help you?
Anything! More faster! Lord. That's good. Where is that cat?
Honey, you're drunk.
I am not! I promise!